We'll guide you through how to set up Namecheap private email. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard by clicking on your account name at the top right corner. From the dashboard, locate your domain and click on the Manage button next to it. You'll see a list of options, so select Private Email from the left sidebar. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. If you haven't purchased a private email plan yet, you can do so by selecting the plan that suits your needs and completing the purchase. If you already have a plan, click on Manage next to your domain under the Associated Domains section. Next, you'll need to set up your email account. Click on Create Mailbox and enter the desired email address and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. After creating the mailbox, you'll see the option to configure your DNS settings. Click on Set up DNS and follow the on-screen instructions to update your domain's DNS records. This step is crucial for your email to function properly, so double-check that all records are entered correctly. Once your DNS settings are configured, your email should be active and ready to use. You can access your email by going to privateemail.com and logging in with the email address and password you just created. Remember, it might take some time for DNS changes to propagate, but you should be all set shortly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.